you get those?
My grandmother, she loved them.
She did. Oh, beautiful.
Hi.
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 You guys are in love, aren't you?
We just met.
That doesn't matter. I know about these things. See, I can see, I can tell you two guys, you're in love, and I think that's beautiful.
Thanks. Listen, I don't live too far from here. Why don't we just go to my place for a quiet drink? I can get this.
Do I expect too much out of life?
Hey,
My dress?
Oh,
I can't believe this.
God.
I'm sorry.
Hey, what are you doing?
crazy?
How are you doing?
Here, let me get
Both of you. You're
Sorry,
both crazy.
I'm sorry. Look.
I don't ask that much, do I? I mean, I don't ask to be famous, and I don't ask to be rich, and I don't ask to play center field for the New York Yankees or anything. I just want to meet a woman. I want to meet a woman, and I want to fall in love, and I want to get married, and I want to have a kid, and I want to go see him play a tooth in the school play. It's not much, but I'm kidding myself. This is never going to happen. I'm going to grow old, and I'm going to grow lonely, and I'm going to die, and I'm going to be surrounded by a bunch of rotten fruit.